This is an unboxing video of the 14 by 26 Sandbaggy burlap bags. So this right here is 100 Sandbaggy burlap bags, and it's packaged in a box like this. Now, we offer burlap bags from quantities from 5 up until 5,000. So the packaging may be a little different based on the quantity of bags. Now, a little bit about the bags. Each bag, empty, is about 5 ounces each. Now, what is burlap, first of all? Burlap is a naturally grown material that's grown in different parts of Southeast Asia. So there is no synthetic material used to make this bag. Now, why do you need that? Certain cities now require that you use a biodegradable product when you install sandbags. They don't want you to use the plastic bags anymore, and they don't allow it either. So the only option you have is to install these biodegradable bags. And all it is once you install it, it'll rot on its own, and you do not need to worry about cleaning up the trash afterwards. So, what are these bags made in terms of their sewing? So this right here is our burlap bag that we use the highest grade of burlap fiber to weave together with. So this is a 9-ounce burlap construction. What this means is that this is approximately 20 to 30% thicker and stronger than other burlap bags you see online. In addition to that, we also use a special kind of sewing, which is called a helical sewing method. And this sewing method is an industrial grade sewing method that only we use, which allows the bag to hold 50 pounds or more. Without it, the bag will likely rupture at the bottom. Moving on, so over here we have a filled burlap bag, and this gives you an idea after it's filled with gravel how it looks. So this is a little bit about the 14 by 26 burlap bag.